Welcome to MQLrobot EAS. In this video, we'll explore the structure of the money Flow RSI TPSL EA, built using FXdreema, no coding required. This expert advisor combines two powerful indicators, Money Flow Index, MFI, and the Relative Strength Index, RSI, to detect optimal entry points for buying and selling in Forex markets. The EA logic is designed to trigger a buy order when MFI 2 is greater than RSI 2, MFI 1 is greater than RSI 1, MFI 1 crosses above the buy threshold, RSI 1 crosses above the buy threshold, and for sell orders, MFI 2 is less than RSI 2, MFI 1 is less than RSI 1, MFI 1 crosses below the sell threshold, RSI 1 crosses below the sell threshold. This gives you a dual confirmation approach based on price momentum and money flow, aiming to filter out false signals. The EA also comes with adjustable take profit and stop loss, lot size settings, max buy sell order limits, fully configurable MFI and RSI periods, works on any time frame or pair you choose. Built entirely with FXdreema, this EA can be modified and customized without writing a single line of code. Before using this EA on a live account, please take time to understand the underlying strategy. Manage your risk appropriately. Perform a thorough backtest using 99.9% tick data to validate performance. You can learn more or get the EA at MQLrobot.com. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to MQLrobot EAS for more EA builds and tutorials.